Nice.
Third turnover, this second interception thrown by Fitzpatrick, and there's a flag down on the play. Back at the 9. So they're going over to talk to the Bills, it seems like. I want to speculate on who this could be on at this moment. But what a play by Bates.
So far, the Cape has had a tremendous burst of heavy wet snow. Even though it's showing a mix down here on radar, the actual reports are still indicating snow, even with the temperature above 32. Anywhere from 2 inches north of Boston to 6 inches around Falmouth has already fallen. And as this band continues to rotate up, has potential to deliver 1 to 3 inches of snow per hour. We had a report of lightning around Wareham and also along I-195 going from New Bedford eastward. So that shows you the intensity of the system. Now, going forward, these heavy snow bands will be...